I'm going to show how to make a small cake in, well, we'll see how long it takes. It just turned over to 11:35. Now let's give this a whirl. I'm using Betty Crocker Favorite Super Moist Cake Mix. And this is actually the white. And I've got the dry mix right here, and I'm just going to put two, oops, come on. About 2 tablespoons into a small custard dish. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to take a spoon, mix this all together so the dry and the moisture are all mixed real well. I think this is takes the longest part of this whole process. There we go. And now I'm going to throw this in the microwave for 30 seconds. It's going to depend on microwave power and stuff. May have to experiment a bit. So I'm going to do this just 30 seconds. And there's the cake. Let me grab a spoon. Nice and fluffy. This is a little bit still moist around the outside. I don't actually throw that in for another 30 seconds. See how this looks after 15. Still got a little bit of moisture on that outside. Do it for 15 more. And there, all the moisture is gone. It's all cooked. Let's see how it tastes. It's gonna be really hot. Oh, really good. What a quick and easy way. Let's see, it's been just 4 minutes, maybe 5. Quick, easy way to make a small amount of cake in a short amount of time. And if I make a whole cake, it's just so much. And this works out great. Be sure and check out my videos.